Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function count blank. This function is very simple and the function counts the number of blank cells in a range. Okay, let's see with an example. Okay, here are the list of students and we have sent out a circular and asking them to fill the form uh, whether they're coming for trip or not. It's not a simple yes or no, but it's a free text form. So they have written whatever they wanted, it was there in their mind. So now to find out how many people have not responded it. So we can see here Vinay and Divya, they have not responded to the uh, survey. So how do we find through a formula function? So we need to count up, use count blank equals to count blank, open the bracket and select the range. So from here D3 to D12 is the range where we want to check and close the bracket. And if you see here, it is 2. So out of these students, 2 have not responded. So this is a very simple formula to find out the blanks in a range. It can be a group of cells or as continuous cells. Um, that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.